Hi there YouTube, so today's lesson we're going to have a look at the single stroke roll. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so what is a single stroke roll? It's one of the 40 rudiments, it's one of the more classic ones, and basically it just involves doing a roll, going right, left, right, left, right, left continuously. There's many different ways to write out this pattern. I'm going to go through the one that I learned, which is I consider the standard one. So we're going to work up from crotchets to quavers to semi-quavers to semi-demi-quavers, okay? Or quarter notes, eighth notes, 16th notes, and then into 32 notes, okay? So we're going to do this work on the pad, and I'll show you how it goes. Let's get into it. Okay, right then guys, so single stroke roll. So basically what that means is you're doing one stroke with your right and then one stroke with your left. So you're always alternating between right, left, right, left, right, left. Now I'll put the music down below for you to follow along with. We're going to start off with crotchets, then quavers, and semi-quavers, and then finally finishing on semi-demi-quavers or 32 notes. Okay, so I'll count them off foot as we're doing it. I'll also count it out loud. So we're going to do a bar of each subdivision and then work our way up and then back to the start again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the start, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and. Okay, so just with that pattern, just the best way to learn these, you stick with that, we'll keep working the speed up until you get faster and faster and faster, and eventually you'll end up with and your speed will just come, you'll get quicker and quicker and quicker. There are different techniques with your hands to help with this, but for now we'll just stick to the normal technique of just doing full strokes. I mean, there are like bouncing second tap strokes where you do what they call the push-pull technique, where you can flick your hand down, so you're pushing and pulling. Or then there's a tap technique, which is basically the same thing, but you're getting 2 strokes. So as your hand goes down, you get a second one as you're coming up. But we'll go into that into more detail in the next video, okay? So just for now, so start off, as I said, go through the exercise again. Start off nice and slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, then just build it up. Okay, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Hope it's beneficial to you. It will help you speed around the kit. As with everything that I teach you, practice left hand lead, right hand lead. Use it around the kit, so you could do like one measure on every drum. So snare, tom 1, tom 2, tom 3, snare, tom 1, tom 2, tom 3. Slowly work your way around until you go doing the 16s and the 32 notes. Okay, so yeah, hope that helped you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.